So appreciation. Ultra. Okay. Browser. Then if you press Ctrl F for here, then you go back to your Lumify. Go back to your Lumify. Then you start stream. Once you start stream, okay, then you just go to your OBS back. Go back to your OBS and play start virtual camera. Once you go back to your OBS, you go to your what is it called? Then you call. Then you call. Call. Start virtual camera. Call. You see that you already see yourself. Look up.